The fragrance-free daily cleansing shampoo cleanses without stripping, restores shine and adds volume. This formula has zero added fragrance and is made for those who are highly sensitive to smell. The fragrance-free shine-enhancing conditioner is a go-to conditioner for anyone who is sensitive to scent. It's fragrance-free, softening and shine-enhancing. This can be used every time you wash and it will not weigh your hair down. The fragrance-free daily cleansing shampoo is cruelty-free, color plus keratin, vegan, free of added fragrance, sulfates, parabens, phthalate plus silicones. The fragrance-free shine-enhancing conditioner is cruelty-free, color plus keratin, vegan, free of added fragrance, sulfates, parabens, phthalate plus silicones. Fragrance-free. This collection was formulated for those looking to skip the fragrance and focus on performance. Just because you have sensitive skin or a sensitive scalp doesn't mean you can't have epic hair. Made for those sensitive to scent, the fragrance-free daily shampoo from Kristin Ess hair cleanses without stripping, restores shine and adds volume in a formula that contains zero fragrance. The fragrance-free shine-enhancing conditioner from Kristin Ess hair is the perfect conditioner for anyone that's sensitive to scent. It's softening, shine-enhancing and can be used daily. Top review from the United States. No scent. I am extremely scent-sensitive and it's been a struggle finding a shampoo that I can tolerate and works for my color-treated hair. This is great, it leaves my hair soft without an overpowering smell. If you have allergies to different scents, try this, you won't be disappointed. There's a natural slight smell but nothing strong. I think I finally found something I can use, I just wish it wasn't so expensive.